Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 103, Alternative Names. Here is another lateral thinking puzzle for you. Thank you for the great feedback you've given me in the past, and that's why I'll keep uploading the puzzles. Of course, you are obviously enjoying them. Okay, good luck with this one and let's see how you go. Name 3 consecutive days where none of them are the names of the actual days of the week. A clue will be given on the next slide. Good luck with this one, and I'll give you a couple of minutes to think about it, and then I will give you a clue if you need it. All the best with it, so please persist and try and solve it. Okay, I wonder how you went, whether you've solved that. If you have, congratulations. If not, let's see if this clue helps you. Name 3 consecutive days where none of them are the names of the actual days of the week. And the clue, alternative names. That's a little bit tricky, but it's the best clue I can give you. Alternative names. The answer is on the next slide, so good luck with it. And in about 1 minute's time, I will give you the answer. Okay, as promised, let's have a look at the answer. I wonder if you got it. Well done if you did. Here we go. Name 3 consecutive days where none of them are the names of the actual days of the week. The answer, yesterday, today, tomorrow. How tricky is that one? I wonder whether you got it. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. and we'll go there right now.